It's cruise day, everyone. Norwegian Bliss on the way to Alaska. But before we head to our terminal, we're actually dropping off some people that were staying at the same hotel. So we're gonna take a look at this terminal first before heading to the Norwegian cruise terminal.
Buddy. Yes.
It's fishing.
Oh, really?
They're serious.
And the fact that we get to see the Serenade of the Seas in the whole in America, Eurodam, also heading to Alaska is pretty cool.
No tip for you.
Oh, you too? Is this your first cruise?
Pier 66, where Norwegian Bliss will be taking us to Alaska.
Hey, Rob.
Hey.
Oh my God, Seattle is beautiful. What an amazing weather.
We are here at Pier 66, where Norwegian's Pier, taking us to Alaska.
So here's where we're gonna do the check-in for the Norwegian Bliss. We go around this building and the check-in entrance is right over there. And here is the Bliss. This is the line to begin the process of the check-in here for the Norwegian Bliss. A lot of people. We just pressed for the check-in point here and took about like 10-15 minutes, and the requirements are the proof of vaccine, the negative COVID test for each person, and the Arrive Can, which is an app that you have to check in to be able to enter Canada, the borders of Canada. And we're ready to go to the Norwegian Bliss.
Yes, we are.
Yes. Okay. And we're ready to go on board of the Norwegian Bliss. Norwegian terminal is really beautiful. It's like a nice building, and the area surrounding is like gorgeous. Hello. can show a little bit of the city here, Seattle. Oh, look at that. You can see the top of the Space Needle from here. Check-in for US and Canadian visa holders, which is us. She knows better. Thank you. So let's do the check-in here now. Yes. So I guess that previous video wasn't a check-in. It was like just to make sure you had all the papers. Yeah, it's a pre-check-in for the check-in. Because there was just checking if we had the papers ready, and now this is the check-in area. And here at this area where the actual check-in happens, there's a bunch of different lines where you have the priority, the people who play casino, the rewards club, and including the US and Canada visa holders, which is the line that me and my mom have to be. And Rob is joining us because of that, and he skipped this huge line back there. Picture time.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. Ow. The Bliss. Ready?
Ready.
Pronta, Sussu? Tá pronta? Tá animada? Let's go! Beautiful city of Seattle. Oh my God. I love Seattle. Oh my God. Beautiful. Now it's time. Hello. He's actually spraying the hands. Thank you. We are on board now, but I guess you're not going straight to your room. They are directing everybody straight to their assembling station for the master drill. And here it is. Hey, assembly G.
Station F right here.
G.
G, one deck up. You can take
Oh.
the stair or elevator.
Elevator.
Station F? Oh, G1 deck.
Yes.
Can you tell the button?
All right, thank you. So we're just here at the assembly station for the check-in and the master drill at Los Lobos. And now we're gonna try to head to the room. Forgetting Susu behind. These elevators are really narrow.
But deep. They're deep.
Yeah, true. Hallways are super nice with some art on the walls. Carpet. The room numbers are nice too. Look at that.
Beautiful.
And we are right on the back of the ship, which is this one. Room 9920. You wanna see it? Let's go. 9920 on the aft of the ship, Norwegian Bliss. And it's right next to this corner suite 9918, which has a huge balcony. I've already seen it. Let's take a look. Welcome to our room. And I'm gonna start like, obviously, you have the activation here for the lights and the AC. And you have here the switch buttons for do not disturb and make up the room, which is gonna light up right on the side of the number of your room if you leave it on. Here's the AC control. The colder the better. I mean, we're in Alaska, so once it's cold, we're probably gonna turn on the heater. And this is the bathroom. We need to ask for more towels because the room has 3 people now. Hey. Some hand soap here, shelves, and yeah, like I said, we need more towels. There's a compartment here with a trash can and more toilet paper. Now the product's on a shower. Decent size. Here we have shampoo and conditioner together and body wash. I like that's not like in three in one, but I don't like the conditioner and shampoo together, so I always use conditioner separate anyways when it's like that. But this is the shower. Now let's continue. Here's the desk, the working station, or whatever you want to call it. It have this booth. The hair dryer is actually down here with a trash can. Here's probably the refrigerator. There you go. And here we have 3 power outlets and 1 European one. That's all. The TV, room service and minibar booklet, to order room service, remote control. So we have this room for 3 people because my mom is joining us on this Alaska cruise, and this is a room for 3 people. We thought it would be an actual bed for the 3rd person or a sofa that becomes bed, but I think this is the actual bed. The couch is the actual bed, doesn't turn into a bed. So we probably just put a fit-in sheet once it's time to sleep, and this is the actual bed. There's no like pulling out of it, stuff like that from the bottom. And there's some drawers here under the bed, which is good, more storage space. And once you're ready to sleep, you just grab this part here and then you put on this edge of the bed, and there it is, the single bed. And this is how the twin bed looks like when it's all set for the 3rd person. And this is the room ready for a good night of sleep. And here's the main closet. We have some shelves and a safe, shelves all the way to the bottom, and hangers, and a laundry bag. Under the TV we have more storage that they actually filled with water. Lot of water for us. Oh, look at that. And here on the side of the bed, let me show you, we have just a USB port here and the switch lights for this one that you can put in any direction, and the lamp. I don't see any other outlets on the side of the bed. It's just some more storage here. And on the other side, same thing. We have the little storage here. Light switch that this one actually controls the whole room. And the switch for the little light and the lamp with the USB right here. This curtain actually makes the room really dark. Like once we got here, the curtains were closed, and then I was like, oh my god, this room is so dark. Now let's check the best feature of this room, which is the balcony. It's kind of an extended balcony, like more towards the wall, and we have like 2 long chairs. Hey Robert. And here's my mama. And we have 2 smaller chairs here, so 4 in a total. And look at this. It is huge. And right in the aft of the ship with this amazing view.
We hope you enjoyed this room tour, and just imagine what this is going to look like in Alaska.
Oh my god, yes. Amazing. Room 9920, everyone. And thanks for watching. Give us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and see you next time.